Hello everyone. It's late at night. It's about 1 or so in the morning. I'm up, I can't sleep. So I thought I would make a video for you, and I wanted to show you some of my coils. This one, I don't think it's to a Model T. This one's a KW coil, and it's obviously brass error. I just don't know exactly what it is. I don't think it belongs to a Model T. So it belongs to a brass error car. This is Model T. See? Slight. You can barely see it, but it says Ford right there. And I had to do a little bit cleaning on here. You can see where I cleaned it. I still got to hit it up with a wire brush real good, but there's a certain amount of clearance you need in here, so you're able to see. It needs to be able to move. So it's connected to electricity, 6 volts, and when it hits here, it goes smack, 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 smack. And that is your controlled firing order of your engine. And yeah, you gotta have these areas clean, so I have to disassemble this, but it hasn't been easy on this one. I really have to figure out something on this. I'm kind of scared if I get this too hot, it might burn the wood. But we'll see if it starts and works. But if not, I'm gonna have to have it rebuilt. But at least if I have the cores, it's all good. All good. I'm gonna save this one for my parts oddity, because this one's an oldie, brassy, so it's from the 1910s. This one's probably from the 20s. See, you can tell the difference between it is that one had 2 contacts. Ford has 1, 2, 3 contacts, and there's the ones on the side, and then there's the one down there. So I got all the ones. I got one on the way tomorrow. I'm gonna clean it up, get the gap proper on the coil, and then take a little bit of a tiny break on the Touring, because the lemon time is getting close to being to where you can install her. Oh yeah, you can install her engine back. She just needs her drive shaft and her ball joint installed, and then from there brakes and some wood, get the radiator rebuilt, and then flush out the gas tank and flush out the carb and hook up a battery, let it run. But then the other things can be done later, like glass and the interior. I have the interior kit. It's money. That's what's taken me a while to finish that stuff, but I know what I'm doing on some of the things. But when it comes to internal settings, I don't mess around with it. I'd rather have a mechanic come out and look at it. But I was lucky enough to get that engine to where I had to just change a few gaskets, and I had to correct the oil weight. Anyhow, talk to you ladies and gents later. Bye.